Hi everybody, it's Cindy at Spark of Vintage. Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, it's the perfect day to be here because I wanted to hop on for a couple of minutes and share with you some really exciting news. So if you follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of the socials, you know that I am a huge fan and a member of Sonnet'S Garden Blooms creative networking community. I also subscribe to Sonnet's Curated Makers Box, which we have a few of them behind us here. And I just love all the products that come in the box every month, from fusion mineral paint, DIY paint, Roy cycles, decoupage papers, the painted photographers, rice papers, and always some surprises and little goodies that Sonnet sends us. So the big exciting news is for 2025, Sonnet has asked me to be one of her makers, which means I get the box a little early. I get to make projects, do YouTube videos for the box release, and be in on some of the most exciting things that happen to us every month. Sonnet does a big reveal of her monthly makers box on the second Friday of every month on her YouTube and Facebook Live. So stick around on January 17th at 10 a.m. Central Time. So that's 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And you'll be able to see Sonnet reveal all the contents of the box live. But I'll also, in the meantime, up to that date, be making items with the products that come in the box every month and sharing that video with Sonnet. And she'll be adding me to a playlist with some of the other makers that she has that get some advanced sets of the boxes and can make projects for the reveal. So this is like a dream come true for me, and I'm very excited to be a part of all of the reveal, the big excitement, and the rollout. So thank you, Sonnet, for asking. I hope you guys will follow us. I hope that you'll get involved and subscribe to the box with us as well, because we just have an amazing time in our creative community. So I want to say thanks again. Wanted to share my news and thank all of you for your support, because I know if you weren't here with me, encouraging me, giving me advice, and sharing your crafty goodness with me, I wouldn't be here and she wouldn't have asked. So I'm very excited and very grateful for all of you. So thank you, and I look forward to some crafty fun together. So let's get started.